Opportunity is knocking. Lovely maintenance-free home in sought-after, gated, all-ages, villages of Fox Hollow. Imagine lawn, irrigation and landscaping are done for you, as well as exterior painting approximately every 7 years. Premium waterfront lot. No rear neighbors. Open floor plan, 12-foot ceilings, arched doorways, plant shelves, tray ceiling and architectural columns. Here, the family room is the heart of the home. Galley kitchen has white Formica cabinets, plenty of counter space and a snack bar. Note the cute over-cabinet windows. Another view of the kitchen. Cheerful breakfast nook. Spacious living room dining area. Both windows have plantation shutters. Extended screened-in lanai has both under roof and sunning area. Roomy enough for table and chairs plus additional seating. Upgraded solar screens on 3 western-facing panels. Lanai is private with pond and soothing fountain feature beyond. Close your eyes and imagine the tranquil trickling of water while feeling a hint of fall breeze. Large master bedroom suite easily accommodates a king-size bed. Sliding door to lanai. Picture window with plantation shutters. Master bathroom has a garden tub, dual sinks, step-in shower and huge walk-in closet behind door. Secondary bedrooms have nice natural light. Mirrored closet doors, plant shelves and ceiling fans in secondary bedrooms. Hall bath has tub with shower. Nice side yard. View of lanai from backyard. Inviting community pool.